Alright, here we go with angle bisector, and this time my daughter Ellie's going to help me because she wanted to be here. So we'll see what she has to say. So same thing on GeoGebra, have all the way down here, make sure that you have more selected both times. And to create an angle bisector, we need an angle. So I will create an angle. So now these points mean nothing. They're just what help create the angle. So I can kind of move these, and we'll show you that a little bit later on. But remember, the first thing that we want to do for creating an angle bisector is we wanted to create a swoosh to find 2 points that are the same distance away. So I'm going to do a circle with the center. Hi, Ellie. And I'm going to go out. And now I have 2 points that are the same distance away. So remember, we can go ahead and we can do an intersect. Find the intersection of that. Intersection of that. Notice how they're gray. The gray means that I can't move these. Those are based on where B is and A and D, but I can't move these. So let's keep it from there. So those are going to be my intersection points. So now I'm going to go ahead and do another circle at the center and go, this time I'm going to go a little bit more than halfway. But this is my new circle. Notice how G is blue. And then I'm going to do, thanks Ellie, I'm going to do a compass. And I'm going to want to recreate this circle. So I'm going to go E to G. And now I can move this anywhere and everywhere that I want. So I'm going to put that on F. Notice how it creates this right here for us. I'm going to get rid of that G so it's not there. And create some new intersection points. And so I will create an intersection point there and there. I don't have to create both of them, but they're both there. So remember, we're going to go from A. Hi, Ellie. We're going to go from A to H. Notice how it goes through I, and if I went through A to I, it goes through H as well. So that is my angle bisector. And so I'm going to come through and I'm going to make these a little bit smaller. Dotted. I'm going to change the color. I'm going to make this one a little bit smaller. Dotted. Change the color. Make this one a little bit smaller. Dotted. Change the color. And that way we can see exactly where the angle bisector is. One thing I'm going to have you guys do is I'm going to have you again use the centimeter. Yeah. I'm going to have you guys use the centimeter distance or length button to measure the distance from a lot of points on this line to these two rays. And so I'm going to have you put a point on, notice how it's blue. Now, no matter what I drag, it stays on that line, so I can look at the distance between those two things. Yep, there's that. So that's the angle bisector. Look for in the worksheet just some questions. Today's assignment is just going to be answering some questions that lead to tomorrow's assignment of actually working with what we discovered. So I will hopefully talk to you guys one way or the other, and I will see you soon.